Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see what are the best string available in market for your badminton racket. So before we start, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let us start. Uh, in this session, I am trying to cover mainly two topics. So first one is what are the different type of string which are available, and second is the LBS what we should put for our racket. Okay, so let us start. So right now in the market there are three type of string which are available, and these are being categorized into high repulsion, durability, and control. So we'll take it one by one. So when we talk about high repulsion, so as the name suggests, their focus is on delivering maximum repulsion. Typically, power string have a thinner string diameter gauge that is 0.68 or below. It's particularly suited to rear court double player and attacking single player. Second one is durability, generally around 0.7 gauge or more. These strings are perfect for player needing their string to last a bit longer, suited to player with hectic training schedule or wanting reliability in their string for matches. Third one is control, typically designed with more of a texture finish on the string. This helps you get more of a feel when hitting the racket. The rough coating also grips the shuttle, giving the player more ability to play control spin or slice shot. It is particularly useful to front court double player and control oriented single player. Okay guys, so I'll give you some example of all these three strings which are present. So if we talk about high repulsion, some example are Yonex VG80 Power, Yonex VG66 Ultimates, Yonex Nano G98. If we talk about durability, some are Yonex VG65, Yonex VG65 Titanium. Then we have from Leaning number 7. If we talk about control string, so control string we have Yonex Nano G BG99, Yonex BG Aerobyte, and Yonex BG80. So okay, so basically I'll explain more on this. Suppose if you are a beginner and you um, do not change your string more often, so better you should choose for durable string because it will last longer for you. And if you are opting for high repulsion or control string, so those are mainly 0.68 diameter or 0.66 diameter, and uh, it is suited for some important match, and maybe it will broke in 4 match or after 5 match, maybe it can come up to 1 month, so we never know, because these are very thin string. And but this string provide you more control, more power in your game. And if you are intermediate or advanced, you are going to a tournament, you should always consider this power string. That means any string which is up to 0.6 68 diameter or below. So now it's up to occasion, like if you are playing daily basis and you are a beginner or learner, so I would say rather choose durable string than high repulsion or control. Okay, so our next topic is LBS. So what is the best LBS we should put for our racket? So there is no direct answer like how much you can put, but uh, if you see, there are different type of kind of playing style: beginner, intermediate, advanced, or professional. Based upon this, you can think of the best LBS. For beginner, it is good to have somewhere between 17 to 20 lbs. Intermediate and so here is the chart where I have covered Yonex string which are right now available in the market, and I have tried to cover all feature of the string like repulsion, power, durability, hitting side, sound, shock absorption, and control. So first in the list is Yonex VG80. So category it is high repulsion. Repulsion power it is 8 out of 10. Durability it is 6 out of 10. So all these numbers are out of 10. So hitting sound it is 7, so absorption it is 6, control it is 6. Second in the list is Yonex BG80 power. It is also high repulsion string and repulsion power is 9, durability is 7, hitting sound is 7, so absorption is 6, control is 6. So if you see difference between BG80 and BG80 power, so it has BG80 power has slightly more repulsion power and durability. So one more thing I want to mention for this two string. So BG80 power drop tension quicker. So suppose the fresh string of BG80 power that definitely offer you more power than the fresh BG80. But after a few sessions, the BG80 power it will drop to tension very quickly. That you will not feel in BG80. So I'll advise if you care more about tension holding and feel, go for VG80. If you care more about durability and a bit more power from day one, then better go for VG80 power. Okay. Next we have Yonex VG66 Force. It is also high repulsion string. Repulsion power is 10, durability is 6, hitting sound is 9, so absorption is 9, control is 10. Next is Yonex VG66 Ultimates. This is one of the most famous string of Yonex, and it is also it comes under high repulsion. Repulsion power is 10, durability is 6, hitting sound is 10, so absorption is 8, control is 10. Next one is Yonex Nano G98. It is also a high repulsion string. Repulsion power is 10, durability is 7, hitting sound is 8, so absorption is 8, control is 8. Next we have Yonex BG66. It is high repulsion. Repulsion power is 9, durability is 5, hitting sound is 7, shock absorption is 7, control is 7. So, main difference between BG66 Ultimates and BG66 is the BG66 Ultimates have little bit more power and durable. That is more durable string. Though this string will not last for long. Um, it may come for a month or a 2 month, depend upon your playing style. Okay, so next one is Yonex VG65 Titanium. This comes under durable string. Repulsion power is 7, durability is 7, hitting sound is 7, shock absorption is 6, control is 6. Next we have Yonex VG65. Durability is 8 for this string. Repulsion power is 6, hitting sound is 6, shock absorption is 6, control is 6. Next we have Yonex Nano G95. This is also durable string. Repulsion power is 8, durability is 8, hitting sound is 7, so absorption is 6, control is 6. Next we have Yonex Nano G99. This is control string. So it has a repulsion power of 9, durability 7, hitting sound 8, so absorption 8, control 10. Next one is Yonex VG85. It's a hard hitting string. Repulsion power is 8, durable is 6, hitting sound 8, so absorption is 7, control is 7. So next we have product from Leaning. So first one is Leaning number 1. It is a high repulsion string. repulsion power is 10, durability is 7, hitting sound is 9, shock absorption is 7, control is 8. Next one is leaning number 5. So it is durability plus repulsion power. Repulsion power is 8, durability is 8, hitting sound is 7, shock absorption is 7, control is 8. Leaning number 7. It is a durable string. Repulsion power is 6, durability is 10, hitting sound is 7, shock absorption is 8, control is 8. Next is leaning number 3. It is high repulsion power string. Repulsion power is 10, durability is 10, hitting sound is 10, absorption is 8, control is 9. Next one is leaning number 7 boost. It is also a durable string. Repulsion power is 7, durability is 10, hitting sound is 8, so absorption is 8, control is 9. So these are the string from leaning. I have been using leaning number 7, and this is also a good option if you compare with BG65 titanium. So you can choose out of this. So now mostly we have covered the string which are available in the market right now. So I just want to conclude with few technical details which will help you while selecting string. So suppose if you have started your badminton playing, and now you are learning and you are a beginner, so better you choose for durable string and have it gutted around 20-21 lbs like that. And once you are moving toward intermediate, and you want more power, more control, now your techniques are right, you are able to hit properly, and you know you have command over your playing style and all, then and slowly upgrade toward uh, you can upgrade toward this power string, like Yonex BG66 Ultimates, BG Power 80, and leaning number 3. So slowly you can upgrade. So it depend upon how quickly you are learning. And one more thing you should think, if for bigger match, like you are going to participate in a tournament or you are going to play some crucial match, then definitely you should opt for power string and over durable string, because they'll provide you more control in your game, more power in your game. If you are suppose whenever you are hitting a slice drop or slice smash, so this string will help you more than durable string. So your game will be improved. So this is the deciding factor. Based upon what best suited you, you can go for it. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.